Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to submit a sitemap to Google Search Console. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your website already added in the Google Search Console. If you haven't already done this, you can just click on the top navigation bar in the top left hand side and select add property. And now once you do have your website added, and just go and select it from this list in the left hand side. Left hand side to click on Sitemaps. Let's click on Sitemaps now. If you have never submitted a sitemap for your website before, then it will look something similar to this NES maps that you have already submitted will be displayed in this bottom window down here. So to go and actually submit the sitemap to Google Search Console, you first need to head over to the website that you are trying to submit the sitemap for, and then what you want to do is come up to the address bar of your website and just type in sitemap.xml at the end of the address, and then press enter. Now that will take you over to the sitemap page of your website. Now it may take to slightly different to this depending on the SEO plugin you have installed on your website, but effectively on this page here you are going to see all of your different sitemaps for your website. So you can see we have a bunch of different ones down here, such as the post sitemap, and if we click on any of this, you will also see all of the pages within this sitemap. Now all you simply need to do is come back over to the window here, and what you need to do is copy this end part of the URL. So up here on my website, this is the sitemap index.xml. I'm just going to copy all of the text and then head back over to the Google Search Console, and then all you simply need to do is go and paste in this text in this field and here, and go and press submit. Now once you have done that, it will submit your sitemap to Google, and once this has been queued successfully, it should come up with a success text field here. If you go click on this sitemap, you can see all of the other sitemaps within this sitemap will show up, and if it should come up with the success rate field here, and if a sitemap, you can see all of the other sitemap within the sitemap. So this is where all of your posts and pages will be included, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you find this video helpful, thank you very much for watching this video.